Spending 24 hours in a life raft is a test of both mental and physical endurance. As I settled into the raft, I quickly realized that preparation is key. Before embarking on this challenge, I made sure to pack essential supplies. A well-stocked survival kit can make all the difference. I included a first aid kit, a whistle, a signaling mirror, and of course, a multi-tool. Each item plays a crucial role in ensuring survival. Hydration is critical. I brought along a portable water filter and a few water pouches. In a survival situation, drinking seawater is not an option. It's vital to collect rainwater or use a solar still if you can. I also packed some electrolyte tablets to help maintain hydration levels. Staying hydrated keeps your mind sharp and your body functioning. Navigation can be tricky when you're adrift. I had a small compass and a waterproof map of the area. Knowing how to read the stars can also be a lifesaver. If you find yourself lost at sea, the North Star can guide you home. Remember, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, which can help you maintain your bearings during the day. As the hours passed, I focused on conserving energy. It's easy to panic, but staying calm is essential. I practiced deep breathing and kept my mind occupied by thinking through my survival strategies. I also made sure to ration my supplies. A little bit of food goes a long way when you're in a life raft. I had some high-energy snacks, like nuts and energy bars, which provided the necessary fuel without taking up too much space. One of the biggest challenges was keeping morale high. I talked to myself, reminding myself of the importance of staying positive. I even set small goals, like counting the number of clouds I could see or identifying birds flying overhead. These little distractions helped pass the time and kept my spirits up. As night fell, the temperature dropped, and I had to think about staying warm. I used my emergency blanket to retain body heat. It's amazing how something so lightweight can make such a difference. I also made sure to stay dry, as wet clothing can sap your body heat quickly. Throughout the night, I kept an eye out for passing ships or planes. Signaling for help is crucial. I used my whistle periodically and reflected sunlight with my mirror whenever I heard a distant sound. You never know who might be out there, and every second counts. As dawn broke, I felt a sense of relief. Surviving 24 hours in a life raft is not just about physical survival, it's about mental resilience. Each moment teaches you something valuable about yourself and the importance of being prepared. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a novice, understanding survival awareness can save lives. Always be ready, stay informed, and remember that the ocean, while beautiful, demands respect.